Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is always important we go through some training session like this before we start trading, so that we will have proud knowledge of what we want to do in the market. Okay, when you have at least the basic knowledge of what the market is all about, then you will be able to use whatever trading tools you are having in order to make the market successful. Even when one is giving you signal, then you will be able to know how to go about it, because some people, even if they are giving them signal, they don't even know what to do with the signal and how they can control the signal. They don't know some of these things, okay, which are very important. Okay, and that is why I have make my training session out for this year very free. Okay, so if you notice, it has been free training session right from the beginning of this year till date, and of course I'm really happy that you guys are also taking advantage of it. Okay, and I'm even doing more training activities on the Telegram channel for those of you that join the Telegram channel, most especially those of you that are having the indicator that we are using, which is the 3M trend milker indicator. You've been withdrawing on daily basis. Like someone sent to me this morning that all you just have to do is just to trade. I mean, all he has to do is to set up the 3M trend milker indicator on the system, trade with it, then withdraw, and after that he repeats the process all over again. He set up the indicator, trade with it, withdraw. Okay, and he has been doing that all this while. It makes it very easy for him to withdraw from the platform, and I'm really excited about this when you guys are withdrawing from the trading platform. But however, it is always important you know how to trade this asset, you know how to use the trading tools you want to use in order to make the best part of the market. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So just like I have said, we will continue from where we stopped yesterday, and before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can milk the market successfully, how you can make some cool cash for yourself right from the platform. And all you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? And you can also join the Telegram channel so that you can also follow up with some of the trading activities that we'll be having right there. Okay, and the link to the Telegram channel is in the description box below this video. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so just like we have said, we started this training session field this week about 2 days ago, and we've been going on with it, and we have been enjoying every activities that are being done within this training session. Okay, and of course yesterday we were able to treat about 3 topics: the trend, the time frame, and of course the signals. Okay, so this time around we will be looking at the support and resistance alongside with the lot size, and probably with a good trading tool. Like I always tell you, it is always important you have a very good trading tool which you can use to analyze the market effectively without giving yourself headache. Okay, a very good one which we have been using on this platform, most especially within the Telegram channel, is that of the 3M trend milker indicator, which is what we are seeing on the system right now. Okay, on the screen right now, that is what we are seeing on the screen right now. And the reason for this is that it is a trend trading tool, and which works well with all trend trading assets, which include synthetic indices. Most of the assets are even trend trading assets, so a trend trading tool makes it very easy for you to milk the market with it. All you just need to do is just to follow the trend. That is it. Follow the trend, follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, that is very important. Then you should have the basic knowledge of the support zone and the resistance zone, just like I have explained earlier on. The support zone always come below the charts right here. Okay, below the candle, it always comes comes below the candle. Here is another support zone. Okay, it's always come at the bottom part. Okay, but if you are looking at the resistance zone, here is a resistance zone at the top. The resistance zone is always at the top. Okay, so that is it. But a support zone can also be converted into a resistance zone, while a resistance zone can also be converted into a support zone. I'm going to cite an example. For instance, here is a resistance zone. Okay, here is a resistance zone. While this was going up, it was unable to break out from there, so it sees a resistance zone, so it came down. But right here, it broke out from there, which means after breaking out from there, it has turned into a support for this particular market. So when the market is going down, it will serve as a major support for it. Okay, so a support zone can turn into a resistance zone once it is broken, and a resistance zone can turn into a support zone once it is broken. Okay, so all these are very, very important for you to know. Okay, once you know all these, you will be able to milk the market successfully. And it is always important you buy right from the support zone, while you should sell right from the resistance zone. Okay, so if you are selling from the resistance zone, it makes it easy for you to milk the market successfully. And if you are buying from the support zone, then it makes it very easy for you to buy the market successfully. So all these are very, very important. Okay, so and that is why I said for you to trade some of these assets successfully, you should have the basic knowledge for one. Then you should have a very good trading tool that can help you to identify some of these things in order for you to analyze, to know when to go into the market, and of course when to exit the market. For instance, this is a 3M trend milking indicator, and of course around there is the support zone. You guys might be thinking, okay, it's not indicating a support zone and it's not indicating a resistance zone. That is true, and the reason is that feature is not added to it. But of course, you looking at the chart, it's tried to bring the chart, it's tried to give us a broader look of the chart so that we can have a clearer picture of what is happening in the chart. And of course, and it gives us where the market is ranging, which could serve as a support or resistance zone. And of course, at that point, you should know that something is about to happen around there. So you should know that it is either it breaks out below it, which is the support zone, or it goes above it, and that will go above the resistance zone at that point. So all these are very, very important. And for this flag, okay, you will be able to see the buy flag and the sell flag, and that way you should be able to know that all you just need to do is just to follow the signal that supports the trend. For instance, let's say we want to buy crash, okay, which means it should be from the support zone. Here is a major support zone at the end of the page right here, and of course all we just need to do is just to wait for the yellow flag. This is the yellow flag. Yet the yellow flag signifies that the market is on uptrend, and all we just need to do is just to follow the signal that supports the trend. Sometimes if the forces behind the market is not that clear, it can still force it backward into downtrend. But once it is cleared like this, then definitely the buy signal will go straight into a buy trend. Okay, so far it is within the right trend. Okay, you can see that a sell signal will only go for a very short period of time, while the buy signal will go for long. Okay, so that is very, very important. So these are some of the things that you are supposed to know in order to put them into good use. Don't worry, probably in my next training session I will be talking more about this trading tool, so that you guys will understand what you need to do or to know before you can start using it. Okay, I think that is another thing I need to look into, so that you guys will have a better knowledge about it. I know most of you are already making money with it. Okay, so that those that are yet to understand the way it works can also benefit from this money making platform. Okay, so all these are very, very important. You know, we learn in different ways. Okay, we learn in different ways. So we have some people that will learn very fast, while we have some people that will love to take their time. They love going through every details in order for them to get it right. Okay, that does not mean they are a slow learner. They are just trying to make sure they put everything in place. Those people, once they get it right, they even outperform those that have gotten it right from the beginning. Okay, I'm not trying to underrate anyone. I'm just trying to let us know that we learn in different ways. Okay, so sometimes you might be fast in grabbing some things, while other times we have some people that will take their time to get every details about a certain product before they go into use. Okay, because they don't want to make mistake, they don't want to make errors. So it is important I put everyone into consideration so that we can all get it well. So guys, I want you to go back to the to this video and watch this video over and over again so that you will understand how it works, and you can now put it into practice, starting with your demo account. Okay, once you started with your demo account and you started making some cool profit, then definitely you can now try them out on your real account. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.